Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp call problem in less than 1 minute. So all what you want to do is open the settings on your phone, open the apps manager like this, go to the apps. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is click on the WhatsApp app right here and it will take you to the app informations page. So all what you want to do on this page is very simple. First thing, click on the force stop and then click down here on the permissions, and after you click on the permissions make sure that all the permissions are enabled, and then go back again, click on the internal storage or the storage and click on clear cache right here. After you click on clear cache, now last thing you want to do is just restart your phone or turn it off and on again, then reopen WhatsApp and the problem must be solved. If it's not solved yet, then you have to update your WhatsApp. Don't forget to like, subscribe.